The internet has changed everything. It's changed how we work, how we connect, and how we learn. One of the biggest shifts, the rise of online coaching. People crave guidance. They want to level up their lives. Online coaching makes this accessible to anyone, anywhere. This opens up huge opportunities for passionate individuals. You can build a real business by sharing your knowledge. Whether you're a fitness guru, a business expert, or a life coach, the internet is your stage. Let's get you in the game. First things first, what are you passionate about? What do you know inside and out? This is your zone of genius. Don't be afraid to niche down. The more specific, the better. Are you a marketing whiz for small businesses? A productivity coach for entrepreneurs? Think about your ideal client. Who are you trying to reach? What are their pain points? How can you help them achieve their goals? Remember, clarity is key. When you know your niche, you can target your message and attract the right clients. You need a home base, a place where potential clients can find you. That's where your website comes in. Keep it simple and user-friendly, clearly state who you are, what you offer, and how to contact you. But don't stop there. Social media is your friend. Choose platforms where your target audience hangs out, create valuable content, share your expertise, offer tips, and engage with your followers. Build a community around your brand. This takes time and effort. Be consistent. Show up every day, build trust and credibility. Section 4. Essential Tools. Power up your coaching business. In this section, we'll explore the must-have tools that can elevate your coaching business to new heights. Running an online coaching business requires the right tools. These tools not only help you manage your business efficiently, but also enhance the overall experience for your clients. Luckily, there are plenty of options to streamline your workflow. From communication to scheduling and client management to payment processing, the right tools can make a world of difference. For video calls, Zoom and Skype are popular choices. These platforms offer high-quality video and audio, making your coaching sessions smooth and professional. They're reliable and easy to use. Need to schedule appointments? Efficient scheduling is crucial to keep your business running smoothly. Check out Calendly or Acuity Scheduling. These tools allow clients to book sessions at their convenience, reducing the back and forth of scheduling. They make booking a breeze for both you and your clients. With automated reminders and easy rescheduling options, you can ensure that no appointment is missed. To manage client relationships, consider a CRM like Dubsado or Honeybook. These platforms help you keep track of client interactions, manage contracts, and even automate workflows. They help you stay organized and provide a professional experience. A good CRM can be the backbone of your business, ensuring that you never miss a follow-up or important detail. Don't forget about payment processing. Secure and efficient payment systems are essential for any online business. Stripe and PayPal are secure and widely accepted. They offer various features like recurring payments, invoicing, and financial reporting. These tools will save you time and energy. By automating routine tasks, you can focus more on delivering value to your clients. You can focus on what matters most, coaching your clients to success. With the right tools, your coaching business can thrive and grow, providing exceptional service to your clients. Section 5. Attracting clients, marketing and networking. This is a crucial step in growing your coaching business. Now that you're set up, it's time to get clients. Marketing is key. Start with your network. Reach out to friends, family, and colleagues. Tell everyone you know about your coaching business. Leverage social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram can be powerful tools. Share your expertise and offer free value. Create content that showcases your knowledge. This could be in the form of blogs, vlogs, or even webinars. Consider guest blogging on relevant websites. Collaborate with other entrepreneurs. Attend industry events. These activities can help you reach a wider audience. Don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. Encourage satisfied clients to share their experiences. Happy clients are your best advocates. Their testimonials can significantly boost your credibility. Offer a free consultation call. This allows potential clients to experience your coaching style firsthand. This gives potential clients a taste of your coaching style and helps build rapport. It's an opportunity to demonstrate your value. Remember, building a successful coaching business takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, persistent, and provide exceptional value. Celebrate small wins along the way and keep pushing forward. Your dedication will pay off in the long run. Section 6. Delivering value, creating a transformative coaching experience. Attracting clients is only half the battle. The real magic happens in the coaching relationship itself. Listen actively to your clients. Understand their goals, challenges, and aspirations. Create a safe and supportive space for them to grow. Provide actionable steps and hold them accountable. Celebrate their wins and offer encouragement when they stumble. Remember, coaching is about empowerment. Guide your clients to discover their own solutions. Be present, be authentic, and be invested in their success. When you create a transformative experience, your clients become raving fans. Section 7. The rewards, income potential and beyond. In this section, we will explore the incredible opportunities that await you in the world of online coaching. The financial potential of online coaching is limitless. With the right strategies, you can create multiple streams of income. It depends on your niche, your pricing, and your marketing efforts. By targeting the right audience and offering valuable content, you can maximize your earnings. But the rewards go beyond money. The satisfaction of seeing your clients succeed is priceless. You get to make a real difference in people's lives. Your guidance can help them overcome challenges and achieve their dreams. You'll experience the joy of helping others achieve their goals. Each success story is a testament to your impact. You'll build meaningful connections and expand your own network. These relationships can lead to new opportunities and collaborations. And you'll have the freedom and flexibility to work from anywhere in the world, whether it's from a cozy home office or a beachside retreat. The choice is yours. So what are you waiting for? The world of online coaching is full of potential and possibilities. Embrace the world of online coaching. Share your passion, make an impact, and build a business you love. The journey is challenging but incredibly rewarding. Share your passion, make an impact, and build a business you love. Start today and watch your dreams unfold.